Hey, Massimo Capra here from Capras Kitchen in Sleepy Hollow of Clarkson in Mississauga. Listen, I'm playing with my menu. I'm trying to find new recipes, new things to do, and I need to satisfy some of the foodies as well, because otherwise I would be selling only the classics, right? And this is not a red sauce restaurant. Don't forget, this is true Italian restaurant, not a red sauce restaurant. No chicken parm and things like that on my menu. But I have a beautiful selection of pizza, and I want to put something new for the summer. So what's better than beautiful pizza with escarole and pancetta and olives and a little pecorino romano? So I have escarole over here. Escarole is a fantastic lettuce, beautiful. I mean, I just got excited by the color combination, the white into the yellow, into the light green, into the dark green. Scarola is money. Money in Italian, when you see the Goodfellas thing, hey, gonna scarola. Yeah, that's what this is basically. Well, then we have pancetta, and I buy my pancetta from Italy. This is pancetta. This is just pork belly cured in salt. Okay, it's cured in salt flat, and then after it's rolled and tightened, and then tied, and then hung to dry. Normally we have the rind of the pork on it as well, and this is my religion, okay? If you don't want the fat, you can go and jump in a lake, because if you don't want the fat, don't order pancetta. Don't be an idiot. Pancetta is fatty. This is the perfect pancetta, Piacentina. Pancetta from Piacenza is renowned in Italy, and this is the only way that we would eat it in Italy. Okay, there is some fools that want it lean as well, but you know what? They can go and, stuff themselves. Because they're stupid. And I don't give a shit if they care about their health. I mean, eat this, you don't die. Nobody ever died because they ate this. Provolone. I got a local provolone over here. I'm trying it for the first time. The smell is good. It looks like a caciocavallo, but they call it provolone. So it's got a nice taste like provolone. I'm hoping that it's going to give enough flavor. Olive nere snocciolate. These are the sun-dried olives or Moroccan olives. You can find them in any store. We have some grated pecorino romano, grated very fine because we want the flavor to just permeate on everything. Some chili pepper that we make our own, chili pepper puree, and we have roasted onion puree because we want to drizzle it on and give it the nice look that is very important, these days. And beautiful dough, beautifully raised dough. The leavening is perfect on this one here, and it's gonna come out absolutely gorgeous. Before we go to the pizza station, my oven is at the right temperature, 325, 330 Celsius. First, we're gonna put a little bit of seasoning on the escarole. Boom, a little salt, a little olive oil, not too much, just a little touch so that it will give that nice grill burn marks that we want. Toss it up a little bit, give it the flavor, make it go everywhere. Oh, this is good just like that. The crunch and the deliciousness of this lettuce is crazy. Put it on. I just want to give it a nice grilling. I want to cook just like that. Spread it about so now I can turn it. See, beautiful. Just like that. You don't want to kill it, but you want to wilt it. We're gonna bring everything to the pizza station. So how do you stretch pizza dough? First of all, it's gotta be nice and jiggly like this, nicely risen. Now I'm gonna put the flour down. Very important. Pick up the dough, put it in. I like to stretch it by hand. This is how I learned many years ago. I worked 1 year as a pizzaiolo, 18 years old. They showed me the pizza oven, never seen it before. And they said, you do the pizza this year. I said, what? Me doing pizza? Why would I want to do pizza? I'm here to learn from the best chef in Italy. And you want me to be a pizzaiolo? Are you nuts? And that's how my career went sideways. I'm not a master at this by any means, but I hold my own. We have our base, more or less round. I'm gonna figure it out after that to make a rounder. We got our cheese, grated up. About 3 ounces of cheese for one pizza that is about 8 ounces of dough. You wanna see it? You like that? You like that? You give me more, give me more. Oh, yes, 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 yes. No tomato, no tomato. This, I'm gonna keep it a white pizza. So I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese, about 3 ounces. Now don't worry about the pizza being too small. Right now, it is not the right size. We can throw some of this on liberally everywhere so that there is a little bite of everything all over. You can put some pancetta, and the pancetta, when it cooks, is gonna shrink and it's gonna expose everything. I'm gonna put 5-6 slices. I don't like pizza with nothing on it. I had one boss that used to say the cheese is the enemy of the pizza. I say, well, you know what? I think you are the enemy of the pizza. It's gotta look like you casually put it on, but you know, it happened. Just like they do some pizzerias in Italy, they just dump everything in the middle and then they wait for the cheese to spread it about. We don't want to put too many olives. A little bit of pecorino romano. Taking my paddle, boom, I'm flouring the top, shaking it all off like that. Taking my pizza, put it on, and now I'm stretching it to the regulation size, because there is a regulation size on the pizza. We want it about 30 centimeter or about 12 inches, okay? Got my oven ready. Put it in and just watch it rise. Beautiful to look at. It's very calming. Look at it, eh? See, the heat is hitting the dough, and the dough is starting to rise. Eh? Almost ready. I like it a little crispier. I don't like it underdone. And we have our pizza wheel cutter, because apparently customers in North America don't have arms. They can't use a fucking fork and knife like it's supposed to be eaten. Fork and knife with a pizza. You don't pick it up and fold it and eat it like an animal. Fork and knife when you're sitting in a restaurant. You eat it by hand when you're on the street. Fuck, everybody's got broken arms. They want their pizza cut. Oh, I want a cat. I want a cat. Wait. There's that. Oh. Honestly, man, I should never cut pizza. But we have to do it because you guys don't understand anything. And I'm not sorry about saying that. If you want your pizza, you should cut it yourself. Otherwise, all of the juices will go in the bottom and make it soggy by the time you get it, you morons. Thank God I'm not a waiter. There is a reason why I'm not a waiter, because I would tell off people more than you can imagine. It's funny because I've seen a video of this guy talking about etiquette on eating, and he shows that the queen eats banana with a fork and knife. She doesn't touch it like a primate. Well, So, now we got a pizza. It's been butchered already because it's pre-cut, but that's how you eat a pizza Italian style. Fork and knife. Oh yeah, this is half decent. Oh my God, yeah, that's good. That is good. Look at that, cooked perfectly in the bottom. Enough dough. Perfect balance of flavors. Coming soon to a menu near me. That is in my restaurant, right here. Done.